What's up everyone? It's finally that time to make the video I've been waiting to make out of all these videos. We're installing the body kit today. Finally gonna put all these car parts out of my living room and onto the car. Been waiting so long. It's been about 3-4 months. Parts are coming in, putting them on little by little. I got another front lip because, the first one fell off because I didn't install it right. I'm gonna have them install it along with the body kits to make sure it lines up since it's not part of the Pandem kit. I'm also going to have them install the side skirts. Same reason. It's not part of the Pandem kit, and it has a little side piece that comes up on the back. Want to make sure they align everything together. They might have to cut some stuff, but they said they're going to make it work. So let's go pick up the body parts from the paint shop right now, load them into the car, and head up to LA to Studio RSR where they're going to install my Pandem kit for me. So I didn't record at the shop, but we did get the parts in. We'll have to bubble wrap them and everything. Make sure they don't get scratched up. We don't want all that paint work to go to waste, bro. I mean, it took us about a week to finally get the paint right, so I'm not trying to scratch them up. Wrap them all up in bubble wrap. Now I got to get the front lip and the side skirts in. I have no idea where I'm going to fit them, but we're going to try and make it work. So let me go grab those and see how we can get those in. I don't think I ever showed you guys what the side skirts were going to look like, so I had already got eager and unwrapped one of them. The other one's still wrapped up. But this is the carbon fiber side skirts that are getting installed for the RCF. So this is the part that I'm talking about that might have to get moved around and warped around the body kit. So I was able to do it. I got everything in. I got all the body parts in for the body kit. I got the front lip right here. I got the 2 side skirts and some extra bubble wrap that got left over. But we made everything fit. There's not much room to lean the seats back because it might hurt the parts, but it's good enough. It's a 2-hour drive down to LA, so it'll be good. And let's get started. Finally here at Studio RSR. This place is sick. They got so many Beamers out here. I guess that's what they specialize in. He was telling me the BMW parts are always falling apart, and I think he said the timing belt or something, I don't know, crankshaft. But dropped off the RCF, gave him all the parts. It's time to let it go. Dre, where'd you go, man? It's time to hand over the keys. My boy Dre right here.
What up? You in good hands, bro.
You better be, man. Hey, I got this thing on valet mode, so I better not see no some joyrides and shit. Yeah, bro, we're definitely in good hands. Look at all these cars they work on out here. Got a shit ton of Beamers, some Mark V Supras, classic Beamers. They know everything, man. I'm gonna be back here in a week, pick it up, see how it looks, man. This better be the cleanest Lexus out there. Finally home, everyone. It took about 3 hours to get here because traffic, it's Easter. I can't express how excited I am, man. I'm so excited to see how the car is going to come out. I feel like it's going to be one of the most badass looking RCFs out there just because I didn't do the full Pandem kit, so it's not an exact replica of everything else you see out there. I got the Pandem kit, of course, just the fenders, and I got the wing from Vivid Racing. I got the Cybon GT wing. I got a Rowan diffuser. I got basic front lip and side skirts that almost every RCF owner has off eBay, but I'm not worried about that. That's not too big of a thing. But I feel like it's going to be one of the most badass looking RCFs out there, and especially with the rims I'm picking up next week. As soon as I get the car back, heading over to West Coast Tires, they're going to hook me up on some nice ass rims. It's going to complete the whole look. I can't wait. I mean, this is something I've been waiting to do for a long time. I love wide body cars. I think they look better, the wide body. Everybody's got their preference. A lot of people were in the RCF group that I'm in on Facebook. A lot of people were like, don't do that to the car. And I mean, just a lot of people in general don't like cutting into your car and doing wide body, but I'm a wide body guy, man. I prefer wide body in cars. I just think they look better that way. I mean, most cars do. Not all cars deserve to be wide body, but almost any car you could think of, any sports car you could think of, definitely looks a lot better and a lot more aggressive wide bodied. So I'm super stoked to see how it's going to turn out. Can't wait to take you guys on this journey with me, man. And we'll see how it is. About 5 days. Get that final look. One final message before I go to end off this video. Of course, in the video, you've seen me wearing the Visionary Motors hat and the shirt. I'm starting to work on some merch. I also got cups made, and we're working on some keychains and lanyards, but can't sell them on YouTube yet until we get our subscribers up. So please, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yourself yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications, like, comment, whatever you can, share our channel, help us grow. Also follow us on TikTok, post a lot of TikToks here and there. Just appreciate the support. I know channel we don't really post too much, but we're working on it. COVID got in the way, and I'm trying to post as much as we can now. We're getting back on top of it, so really appreciate the support. Please stay along with us on the journey for this build and many other ones to come. Thank you.